The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra has quickly become a standout smartphone in the crowded premium market, and it's not hard to see why. With a combination of striking aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance features, this device aims to cater to the needs of both style-conscious users and tech enthusiasts. Design and build quality. The first thing you notice about the Razr 50 Ultra is its design. The spring green color offers a refreshing twist to the traditional smartphone palette, making it eye-catching and distinctive. When closed, the device is compact and easily pocketable, and when opened, it provides a generous screen real estate for all your multimedia needs. The build quality feels premium, thanks to its solid hinge mechanism and high-quality materials. It's clear that Motorola has put a lot of thought into making the Razr both durable and stylish. Display technology. The 6.9-inch AMOLED display is a highlight of this device. The vivid colors and deep blacks make content consumption a joy, whether you're watching videos or playing games. With a 165Hz refresh rate, animations and transitions are incredibly smooth, providing an excellent experience for gamers and casual users alike. The 4.0-inch external AMOLED display is a brilliant addition, allowing users to access notifications, answer calls, and manage tasks without needing to open the phone. Performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powers the Razr 50 Ultra, ensuring lightning-fast performance and responsiveness. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, this device can handle multitasking with ease. Switching between apps, playing graphically intensive games, or streaming high-definition content is a breeze, thanks to the robust hardware. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 32MP selfie camera, which captures vibrant, high-resolution images. Whether you're taking selfies or making video calls, the clarity and detail are impressive. The camera's features, such as portrait mode and various filters, provide additional creative options, making it an excellent choice for social media sharing. While the rear camera specifications were not highlighted, Motorola has consistently delivered solid camera performance in its flagship models, so users can expect reliable results. Audio experience. The inclusion of Moto Buds Plus elevates the audio experience, providing excellent sound quality with noise cancellation features. Software and user experience. The Razr 50 Ultra runs on a clean version of Android, offering a user-friendly experience without excessive bloatware. Battery life. While specific battery specifications were not detailed, the efficient hardware combined with software optimization typically means that the Razr 50 Ultra should provide adequate battery life for daily use. Pricing and value. Priced at $89,999, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra positions itself in the premium segment. Given its unique features, stylish design, and solid performance, it presents a compelling option for those looking for a distinctive smartphone experience. If you're interested in purchasing the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, you can find it here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tech insights.